Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Today we are presenting a new setup video with you that is how to set up Rockspace AC750 Wi-Fi range extender. The Rockspace AC750 Wi-Fi range extender is a device that boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover areas with weak or no signal. It supports speeds up to 750 megabits per second and is easy to set up with most routers. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender, then this video is specially made up for you. So watch this video till the end. Firstly, we will discuss the product unboxing. Inside the Rockspace AC750 Wi-Fi range extender box, you'll find the extender device itself and a user manual or quick installation guide to assist with setup. The compact design allows for easy placement in various locations, such as nooks, desks, or bookshelves. Now plug your Rockspace AC750 extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid blue. This means it's ready to set up. On your phone, tablet, or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings. Look for and connect to a network named something like Rockspace_EXT. There is no password at this stage. Open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, type rockspace.local or 192.168.0.254 and press enter. You'll be asked to create a login password for the extender's settings page. Choose a password you'll remember. This is not your Wi-Fi password. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. From the list, select your main Wi-Fi network, the one from your router. If you have both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, you can extend one or both. Type the password for your main Wi-Fi network when prompted. Click Next or Extend to start the process. The extender will take about 30 to 60 seconds to connect. When it shows extended successfully, you're done. Unplug the extender and move it to a midway point between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Plug it into a socket there. Make sure the signal LED is solid blue, that means good connection. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.